everyone, it's Henna here and thanks for coming to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, my name is Henna, yes, like the tattoo, and I post new videos here every week, so make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. And I'll be giving one lucky subscriber a free iPad once I hit 10,000 subscribers, so you don't want to miss out on that. Want to see a quick first impression review and tutorial of the new DesiXKaty Dose of Colors Part 2 collection. Here you go. I have the box right here. I got the, oh, everything's falling out. I got the whole entire collection, which retailed for $213 if I'm not mistaken. These are how all the boxes look. The unicorns, at least, that's how they look. So for this video, I went ahead and already have my foundation, my bronzer, brows, concealer. That's all done because I wanted to focus on just the products from their collection. So here is the unicorn for the Friendcation Palette, and this retails for $55 on its own. It is their original packaging that they had for their first collaboration. It's a little reflective, so I may not get the best view of it. I might have to show it to you guys like that. There you go. So I'm just gonna dive right into the Friendcation palette. I don't have any look planned, so we're just gonna kind of see where it goes and then go from there. So I'm gonna go ahead and take my Morphe E20 brush. You don't have to use the same brushes. Yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and take the shade Basic. And I'm noticing that there really is no fallout with this shade, which honestly I don't really care for fallout because I feel like that doesn't really determine if the shadow is blendable or not, but you know, some people don't like fallout, so I'm just mentioning it for that reason. So the next shade I'm going to go into is in the shade Necessary, and I'm going to use this as a transition shade, and I'm using the JH30 brush from the Master Collection from Jaclyn Hill's. This one has a tiny bit of fallout, but nothing too crazy. Again, I don't care about fallout, but I'm just letting you know if anyone cares for that. Taking that same brush, I'm gonna go into the shade Churro, and I'm gonna apply that a little bit below where I put Necessary, just to add more depth to the crease. Next, I'm gonna go in with this JH36 brush in the shade Cheens, and I'm just gonna take that right here. Ooh, I didn't expect that to be as dark. I don't know what else. Okay, so maybe I don't like this brush in particular for that, so I'm just gonna go back to the one I was using before to just blend this out a little bit. So this is the kind of brush. So I'm going in with the JH35 brush into Cheens. And go with the light hand because Cheens is pretty pigmented. It's no joke. As you can see what I'm trying to kind of do with that shade. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and take that same shade Cheens, add it to that big blending brush, and just kind of soften the edges around. I really like how Cheens looks. Super pretty. So when I was doing this video, when I was deciding I was going to do this video, I really didn't know what shade I was going to go into. It's between Dirty Money and Game Over, but I think I want to do a really deep, powerful look, and hopefully this works out for the best. I'm going to go into Game Over. I'm going to take it on my finger and just apply it on top. No Fix Plus, nothing whatsoever. Super nice. So I'm gonna take another brush right here. It's not wet. I'm just gonna take Game Over on that just to make sure I get the edges without pushing it over onto the other side, because I feel like I have a chubby finger. So wow. You know what I should have done? I should have put down some Cheens first, and I think maybe that would have been intense. Or not that it's not intense already, but it would have just brought a different look to it, I think. Okay, you guys, I went ahead and applied false lashes. I did my wing liner. The false lashes that I used are from Morphe's Premium Lashes box right here. It is in Hypnotic. Those are the lashes that I do have on right now. I do really love the shadows from this collection. Super blendable to use. Cheens was really pigmented. I think I went a little bit too rough-handed with that shade, but overall it still looks really great. So yeah, I'll definitely be trying out more looks with this palette, so you guys can see a lot of those looks on my Instagram at the Henna. So I'm gonna go ahead and use both the highlighters. Right here is Fuego and Chasing the Sun. I was not able to get the first collection. The only thing I got from the first collection was Hot Fire liquid lipstick. I wasn't able to get any other of the items at that time. However, I've never tried Fuego, so I can't wait to try this out. But I'm gonna take it on this highlighter brush right here. I'm not gonna dab anything. We're just gonna apply this. Oh, girl. That is really pretty. I'm gonna go ahead and apply Fuego on both sides of my cheeks, just because that makes the most sense. Ooh, this is so pretty. I hope the camera is picking it up. I'm gonna take this little JH39 brush, take some Chasing the Sun right here. We're just gonna apply that in the inner corner. Oh yeah, this is definitely more of like a rose gold. So the last thing left to do is to do a lip. This is a new formula from DesiXKaty, so I'm gonna go ahead and use the liquid velvets from them. This is in the shade My Main. I'm gonna go ahead and use this on the lips right now. Well, that's a pretty color. I guess we can kind of let that dry down a little bit to see how it looks. But DesiXKaty's liquid lips are really, really nice. I have a few actually, and they're super comfortable to wear. However, this doesn't feel like their normal liquid lipstick because it's not. It's a liquid velvet. So I'm just gonna let it dry for a little bit and let's see how it looks. Alright guys, that is it for this look. I use the new DesiXKaty Part 2, the Friendcation Palette, what they did with DesiXKaty. I also went ahead and used Fuego and Chasing the Sun. For my lips, I used My Main in their liquid velvet. And yeah, I think it's a really pretty collection. The total of this entire collection was $213. It is not cheap whatsoever. I am not going to sit here and tell you it's, oh my god, it's so affordable. No, it's not. It is a pretty pricey collection, but it is a collection. It's a collaboration, and definitely for collaboration, it's like a one-time type of deal. And it means a lot because it's from people that, you know, a lot of us watch every day and we really look up to. So I definitely love DesiXKaty. So I definitely think it is a pretty palette. It's a pretty collection. I can't wait to try out more of, you know, the lipsticks and the other liquid velvet shade. And I really want to play with the colors from this palette. They look super fun to play with. So, but that is it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it as much as I did making it. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, because I post new videos here every week, and I'll be giving one lucky subscriber a free iPad once I hit 10,000 subscribers. So you don't want to miss out on that. But alright guys, that is it for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will see you in the next one.